Let's solve one problem from the classical mechanics of TIFR 2025 question paper. So the problem states that the figure below shows a rocket, red arrow, launched from the Earth, which is now at point A, where the Earth gravitational field is negligible. The rocket thrusters have stopped. In the rest frame of Sun, the velocity of the rocket at A is same in the magnitude but opposite in direction to that of the Earth was when it was at the same point. So which of the following statements is correct? Right, we need to find the correct statement. So the rocket was launched from the Earth. It is now at point A, far from Earth gravity. In the Sun's frame, its velocity is equal in magnitude but opposite in the direction to the Earth's velocity at that point, right? So if the Earth has a velocity of plus v, the rocket has a velocity of minus v. In other words, it is as if Earth were moving in its orbit and the rocket was given an instantaneous velocity reversal. The observation is the rocket is still in the sun's gravity. The velocity reversal corresponds to the change in the orbital parameters. Specifically, if an object reverses its velocity vector relative to its central body, its energy remains the same. That is, the kinetic energy depends on the speed squared, but its angular momentum reverses its sign. So more precisely, we can state that the Earth motion is in the elliptical orbit with a certain angular momentum vector L. So more precisely, we can state that the Earth motion is an elliptical orbit with a certain angular momentum with a certain angular momentum vector L, right? Reversing velocity reverses the angular momentum vector. Another thing keep in mind is reversing velocity reverses angular momentum vector same in magnitude but opposite in direction, right? So therefore the rocket will move along the same helix path in the opposite sense of motion. So therefore the rocket will move along the same ellipse but in the opposite sense of motion. Okay, good. right? So this is known as velocity reversal, reversal properties of the Kepler solid. This is known as velocity reversal property of Keplerian orbit. Orbits. Reversing the velocity produces the same orbit traversed in the opposite direction. It means thus the rocket will follow the Earth orbit in the reverse direction. Therefore, since Earth is moving forward on the same orbit and the rocket is moving backward along the same path, they will eventually meet with both are in the same point. This is precisely what the option A described, right? The rocket will move exactly on the Earth's elliptical orbit, showing that they eventually collide with the Earth. Right, as its motion is the reverse and is having the same orbit, so the Earth, so the option A is right. So the rocket will move exactly on the Earth's elliptical orbit, as shown in the figure, and eventually collide with the Earth. So this will be the answer. Eventually escape the sun's gravitation. B option is not correct. So coming to the C, the rocket will eventually reverse its direction and follow the Earth. No, it is already moving the same velocity with same to that, but in the opposite direction. So the rocket will eventually reverse its direction. The rocket will turn towards the sun and eventually collide. No, there is no process possible because it is moving in the gravitational field of the sun. So if this possible answer is not right. So only the option A will be our correct answer. Hope this problem as well as the solution is clear. So thank you.